Take a look at this crazy amount of money I made in just seconds. If you're all about making serious profits, don't go anywhere because I'm going to walk you through the entire process, one step at a time. I've been hustling meme coin trades non-stop for a long time, but I got tired of throwing cash into risky, shady projects. That's when I discovered this game-changing strategy. Now I can double or triple any amount of money I invest in seconds. And the best part? I can repeat the process as many times as I want. So, I just keep doing it over and over. That's the secret to my fast profits. So, I will create a new wallet and start from scratch to show you how easy it is to make money this way. The smart play is to stop trading meme coins and start making them. The big names are already ahead of the game, and we can't let them leave us behind. It's time for regular people like us to claim our piece of the pie. This is for educational purposes only, to show you how it works. Now, let's get into the step-by-step process. To create coins on the Rhythm DEX, you need to use Launching.Fun. Here, you can create your own coin by entering the token name, token symbol, and token image. You can even manage equity and duplicate any trending coin from Pump.Fun to make guaranteed money. This site is unique because you can launch coins on ROMDEX with no coding required. It's fast, efficient, and not a scam like other sites that charge crazy fees. Plus, it's the only site with a copy trending coins feature. You can scan new coins being created every second, find a good one to duplicate, remove liquidity, and make a ton of money. Or, if you want to do little to no marketing, go to the trending coins feature and duplicate any coin. You will get buyers because every coin there is trending and pumping. By duplicating them, you guarantee buyers since you'll be listing them on the ROMDEX, which reaches a much higher market cap. Now, let me prove that everything I'm saying is legit. I'll duplicate my life as ChatGPT because it has 200 replies and a $20,000 market cap. I'll click on Create Coin, go into my Phantom wallet, ignore the warning, click Proceed, confirm, and I understand. Now the coin is created. Next, I copy the token address, click Create Liquidity Pool, and make the coin tradable. Here's the balance. I'll click Max to give away 1 billion coins in liquidity. The token B amount is the liquidity I'm buying with my own money. But I won't lose this money since I'm the first buyer. By the way, if you don't have Solana to create your meme coin, simply join my Telegram. I do a $50 giveaway every day, and you'll find the link in the description. You can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 SOL. I'll use 0.5 SOL. Then, I'll create the pool, confirm the swap, and refresh. Now it's live. Buyers are coming in. A ton of people are scanning this page, looking for the next big thing. There are millions of eyeballs here, so you're almost guaranteed to make money. It's pumping fast. Now might be the perfect time to remove liquidity. So, I go back to Launch Token. Fun, click the minus button, select 100%, remove liquidity, confirm, and done. I just removed the liquidity. That's how you make money every single day by launching coins. I waited just a few seconds, checked my Phantom wallet, and now I have $340. I just made 0.7 SOL in seconds. This is a new money glitch you need to take advantage of. Go to launchtoken.fun, use the copy trending coins feature, scan new pairs, duplicate trending coins, and start making money. Make sure to join my Telegram group, DM me if you have questions, like, comment, and subscribe.